Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of fish management in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app offers an end-to-end solution for managing fish processing operation from boat configuration and receiving fish to processing, expense validation and reporting. It ensures accuracy by enforcing a step-by-step workflow, integrates with journal entries and payments, and provides detailed fish analysis report in PDF and Excel. With intuitive interfaces and structured views, it enhances operational efficiency and helps streamline the entire fishing and processing cycle within Odoo. So, first of all, we will go into the fishing management module. Under configuration, you will see a menu for boat. You can create your boats from here. Here I have already created one boat named Black Pearl. You can add your fuel type from here. You can add any fuel type. I have selected gasoline. You can add the identification number. You can select the boat captain from here. I have selected Michelle Admin. You can add the crew members from here. I have added the crew members and you can add the model name from here. After this, you can see a button for fleet in here. Open that button and here you can see the fleet. You can see the license plate, model, category, driver, the registration and tags. You can see everything in here. After this, we will go into the receive good and we will go to receive. Here I have created one receive good. In here you can see the receive good number. I have added a boat name, Black Pearl we just saw. You can add the start and the end date. The boat captain and crew members will be updated automatically according to the boat. After this, under operation, you can add your products. I have added large fish as my product. I have added quantity for 50 kg and you can select any UOM you want. You can add the weight. I have added 20 and you can add the UOM in here also. I have added kg in here too. After this, you can see that you will have two buttons. One is processing and one is for expense view. Now, if I try to confirm this receive good, you will receive a validation error saying add expense details. So, for that, we will go into the expense tab. You can see in here and we will create an expense. Here, add your description. We will be adding fish expense in here. You can see fish expense. After this, just add the total. I will be adding 500 as my total. Now, click on save and close. You can see the expenses added into your expense. You can see every little detail we just added. Now you can see the status is to report. So for that, we will open this expense and here you can find a button for create report. Click on that and you can see you will be redirected to the fish expense. Here you can see the every little detail in here. You can see the fish expense in here. After this, we will click on submit to manager and you can see that it is submitted. After this, you need to click on approve button to approve this report. You can see it is in approved state. You can also see the manager is updated to Michelle Admin after this. Now click on post journal entries and you can see that this is in posted state. And here also you can see the general entry button. Open that and here you can see a vendor bill number. Here you can see the bill reference and invoiced lines. After all of this, you will find the pay button. Click on that and add your journal. I will be adding bank as my journal. You can see the amount and the memo. After this, click on create payment. You can see that it is in paid state and in posted. You can see it is in posted. After this, we will go into the receive good again and you can see the expense status is done. After this, we will confirm the receive good by clicking on this confirm button. Click on that and you can see the expense posting state is appeared. After this, we will click on processing and a wizard will open. Here, add your operation type. We will be adding your company delivery orders. After that, add your today's date. After this, in operation, you can see the source product is large fish. Add product. I will be adding catfish as my first product. In the quantity, I will be adding 2. The UOM will be kg. And for weight, I will be adding 5. And for the UOM, I will again be adding kg. Now again, we will select our source product as large fish. For the product, we will be selecting salmon fish. Add quantity as 5 and UOM as kg. Add your weight as 10 and in here also add the UOM as kg. Now for the source product again we will be selecting large fish. For product we will be selecting shrimp fish. Now add quantity. I will be adding 2 as my quantity. Add UOM. Add weight as 5 and add your quantity UOM as kg. Add your UOM which add kg. Now after all of this you can see the button of save. Save it and you can see a processing button in here. Open that button and you can see a processing is created. You can go and see every little detail in here. You can see in the operations we just added. You can see the quantity, weight, UOM, product and source product in here. You can see that this processing is in draft state. So to validate this, first we go into the receive good and we will click on done. You will get a validation error saying make sure that the processing product and expense detail must be in done state. So as we didn't validate the processing, we will open the processing and we will validate it. As you can see, the processing is in done state. Now we will go into the receive goods again and now we will click on done. You can see that this receive goods is in done state. After this, under reporting, you will find a menu for fish analysis. Here you can see the graph view, but we need the pivot view. Here, when you click on total, you will get a drop box and you can select any filter you want. I selected boat, so you can see the boat name and the quantity in here. Under reporting, we will get a menu for fish report. Click on that, add your boat name, your start date and your end date you added in there. After this, click on PDF. Here you can see a PDF is downloaded. Open that and here you can see the fishing report. Here you can see the receipt number, the boat name, the end and start date, processing number, unreserved products, quantity, weight, expense and cost. After this, here you will find a button for Excel report. Click on that and an Excel report will be downloaded. Open that and in Excel report also you can see the fishing report with the start and the end date and all the other information and data we just saw in the PDF. After this, close this box. Again, under the reporting only, we will find a menu for sorted fish report. Add your boat. I will be adding black pearl. Add your receive goods number. Add your start date. And add your end date. After this, click on the PDF button and a PDF will be downloaded in your system. Open that and here you can see the sorted fishing report. Here you can see the start and the end date, the receipt number, the source product and the products, the quantity and weight. After this, you can click on Excel report and you can download it from here. Open that Excel report and here you can see the sorted fishing report is downloaded with start and end date and all the data we just saw in the PDF. Here you can see all the data. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.